Good afternoon, students. So today we have learned the second part of the lesson, which was the green dream. So today I am going to explain you the lesson from the start. So what is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is the green dream. So what we have learned in this lesson today? We have learned in this lesson about the different types of the parts of plants. So here in this picture what we can see? We can see that there is one plant. Now the plant is having many parts. So now we will see what the part a plant is having and what are the different types of trees and bushes, shrubs. The green dream. Look at the trees. A tree is a big tree. It has hard trunk. So here in this picture what we can see? We can see that there are two trees. And here the brown color is the trunk of the tree. Means it is the body of the tree. And it is very hard. Now here in this picture we can see branches and leaves. A tree usually has many branches and leaves. Now the tree is having many parts. So now this is the branch of the tree. These are the branches of the tree. Branches means hands. We all are having two hands. Same way the tree is also having hands. And the hands of the tree are called as branches. Next, leaves. Now you all know what is leaves. Leaves are of green colors. Now all the trees, whether it is big tree, it is small tree or it is a small plant, they all have leaves. Some trees like the coconut palm do not have branches. So now there is one tree. See, this tree we have seen over here. First, this tree, it is one big tree and beside the tree there is one tree. How many leaves are there? We will count that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6. There are 6 leaves. So this is called the coconut tree. Now coconut tree is not having any branches. The coconut tree is only having trunk and it is only having leaves. See, the leaves of the coconut tree are also different. It is called as coconut palm tree. So in this picture we can see that there is roots and grass. There is roots and grass. So where are the roots? The roots are under the ground. The roots are under the ground. It has roots growing below the ground. Now the plant and the tree, they both have roots. If the roots are not there, the plant will not grow. So the root is the very important part of the plant. Now where the roots grow? The root grows under the ground. Now the roots are of brown color and they are found under the soil. Grass. See the green grass. Grass has many leaves. Cows and goats like to eat grass. Now what is this green color? This green color is grass. Now we have seen grass. The grass is very soft and it is of green color. And we can find grass everywhere. Now grass is having lots of leaves. Grass is having lots of leaves. And who eat this grass? The cows and the goat like to eat the grass. The cow and the goat, they like to eat the grass. Now what we can see here in the picture? We can see that there are shrub, bush and flower. So shrub is tall and long. Shrub means, see, we can see the rose plant over here. Bush means it is very we can find it in a very more things. हाउ इज़ बुश? बुश कैसा है? बुश मतलब बहुत सारे घास होते, बहुत सारे ग्रास एक साथ होते और इट इज़ वेरी फैट, वो बहुत मोटा मोटा ऐसे दिखता है. एंड श्रब, श्रब इज़ वेरी थिन, इट इज़ अ थिन प्लांट. सो यर श्रब इज़ ऑफ रोज प्लांट एंड बुश, बुश इज़ ऑफ ग्रीन कलर्स. वी कैन फाइंड sometimes flowers in the bush also, but in shrub we can find flowers always. So it is shrub. Shrub is always having flowers, but in bushes we can only sometimes find the flowers. Look at the shrubs and bushes. These are small plants. So shrub and bush, they both are small plants. Some of them give us beautiful flowers like the rose. So sometimes we can get beautiful flowers from these shrubs and bushes plant. The flowers are very beautiful like the rose flower. Climbers. Now which climber plant we can see here? French beans and grapes. Note the climbing plants. Climbers are weak plants. They take the help of stronger plants or poles to support themselves. So now what is climbers? Climbers are the plants which take support of the other plant to stand. Why they take support of the other plants? Because they cannot stand on their own. They are very weak plants. They either take support of the other plant or we can put a stick so that they can take the support of the stick. They are very weak plants. They are called as climbers. Main parts of a plant. Now most plants grow from the seeds. See here, we can see seeds. This is the small seed. How the seed is growing slowly and afterwards we can see a small plant coming out of the seed, and we can also see roots under the ground. So some plants grow from seeds. Now most of the plant, they have roots, stems and leaves. The roots soak water and other minerals from the soil. Now some plants are having roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Now roots are under the ground, and to the stem we can see beautiful flower, sweet fruits and some green leaves. So the roots are under the soil and they give minerals to the other fruit and flowers so that they can grow on the plant. The stem distributes the food to different parts of the plant. Now see here, we can see the picture of stem, S-T-E-M, stem. So this stem, it passes the water and minerals to the other parts of the plant. The leaves help in making food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Now how the leaves give minerals to the sunlight, we can see over here. See, this is the sunlight, and this sun gives light to the plants. Now the water goes to the leaves and we can see a beautiful flower growing. So in this way the leaves make food for the plants with the help of sunlight. So these are the parts of the plant: roots, stem, leaves, fruits and flowers. So students, whenever you are going to plant any seed, so you should take care of it and you should water them every day so that your plant will become very beautiful and it will be very big. So we will meet in the next class with the new lesson. Till that time, complete your worksheets and take care of yourself. Thank you.